Di biro ang magkasakit. At maraming uri ng sakit. Ang malalang pagkakasakit ay maaaring maagapan. Ang wastong pangangalaga sa katawan ay simple at madali lamang kung tama ang mga pamamaraan. Ang maagang pagpapatingin sa doktor kapag may masamang nararamdaman ay napakahalaga sa pag-alam sa sanhi ng mga karamdaman. Ang pagsilang ng isang bagong umaga ay isang hudyat sa ating makabuluhang pangangalaga ng ating kalusugan. Introducing a new health diagnostic facility right in the heart of Valenzuela City, Sunrise Health Check Diagnostic Center, where health diagnostic needs are met with efficient, state-of-the-art technology, competent staff, and affordable costs. Where modern cutting-edge technology is employed to bring better healthcare to patients in need of speedy and reliable service. Where state-of-the-art equipment are used to aid professionals in accurately diagnosing health needs. Where the latest scientific advances are brought to a modern diagnostic lab. Where well-trained and highly experienced medical technologists expertly care for their patients. Where warm and friendly healthcare practitioners meet patients' needs with competent service and tender regard. Where diagnostic testing costs are affordable and suit the family budget. Where health diagnostic expenses are more manageable compared to other testing centers. Where one does not need to worry if diagnostic tests are indeed worth the expense. Our modern facility boasts of world-class equipment, set in a shiny brand new center located right on the main road of Valenzuela City. Complete with high-tech computerized equipment geared to speedily and accurately diagnose your healthcare needs. With warm and caring staff to look after your personal health needs. With in-house doctors who will expertly take care of you. Scheduled regular checkups are part of proper and sound health care. Checkups reveal to us the cause of our aches and pains, allowing us the opportunity to treat them early. Early detection is much better than a late cure. Ask your doctor what test is best for your symptoms. Visit your nearest clinic today. Ang isang malusog na kapaligiran ay isang masayang komunidad. Kapag ang mga sakit ay agad na agapan sa pamamaraan ng angkop at tamang diagnostic check-up, mababawasan ang hirap, abala, at di kailangang gastos ng pagkakasakit. Sunrise Health Check, your affordable family health diagnostic center. Equipped with modern and high-tech, speedy and reliable equipment, along with caring experts that look after you, where your health is truly important.
Welcome to Sunrise Health Check Diagnostic Center. Sa ngayon, ang Valenzuela ay mayroon lamang 3 hanggang 4 na laboratorio na nagsiservisyo sa napakaraming populasyon ng Valenzuela. So, naisipan ng ilang individual, ng grupo na magtayo din sa pang-laboratorio para makatulong sa pangangailangang kalusugan ng mga taga-siyudad ng Valenzuela. We are likewise equipped with competent personnel, professional medical technologies, which will help us to serve you better and faster. Doctors are readily available for consultation, able to diagnose and prescribe the appropriate tests to take. Sunrise Health Check, your family diagnostic center, is speedy and reliable na affordable pa.